What do you have to say about being in the oldest public place in America?
Oh my goodness. It's good to be here.
Oh wait, I have something to say.
What's that?
Like and subscribe.
Welcome to Flying Dirty. Come on board with my family and I on this flight to Florida. And stick around after the flight until the end so I can take you on a tour of the beautiful beaches and the city of St. Augustine, Florida, the oldest city in the nation. It is impressive. And all of the soundtracks are produced by me, and they're available for immediate download at www.flydirty.com.
Good afternoon, Meridian Tower, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, holding short of 22 at Bravo, ready for departure.
Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, Q-Tower runway 22, line up and wait.
22, line up and wait, 3620 Whiskey.
Saratoga 20 Whiskey, proceed on course, runway 22, wind 2307, clear for takeoff.
On course, 3620 Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
Saratoga 20 Whiskey, contact departure, good day.
For departure, have a great day, 20 Whiskey. And departure, good afternoon, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, 1000.
3620 Whiskey, roger. Burning altimeter 3001 and climb and maintain 7,000. Operator on you in a minute.
All right, here we are cruising. Cruising. So since we took off from Dallas, it's been clouds. All right, so now we're heading to the Gulf Coast from Colorado. This trip started in Denver. We ended up stopping in Dallas, spent a few days there, and now we're continuing on to Flagler, Florida, which is near Palm Coast. A very nice little town. That's where my family lives. So this is a pretty cool trip. I like doing these long cross-country trips. So we have about 2 hours and 28 minutes remaining till we get to...
3620 Whiskey, contact Montgomery approach 124.0. Good day.
124.0, 3620 Whiskey, have a great day.
And here's when the radios are about to get interesting.
Flight jet 456, radar contact maintain 430.
Good afternoon, Montgomery approach, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey at 7,000.
Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, Montgomery approach, altimeter 3003.
3003, 3620 Whiskey.
Mantenga el rumbo, requiero 5 millas más con el tráfico que le antecede, pendiente del vector.
I picked up a Spanish frequency, and I've been flying since 1998, and I've never heard ATC talking Spanish before. So where's this frequency coming from?
Roger, Polaris 637, buen día, Centro México, mantenga nivel de vuelo 380.
Comment below and let me know if this ever happened to you before.
Correcto, vida izquierda, directo a Tamayo.
And it looks like we're picking up a frequency from Mexico or something like that. kind of strange that we're picking it up over here.
United 1088, turn right, heading to Enaga.
Everybody back there, let me see if they're sleeping now. Well, they're awake. So one of the advantages of flying a private airplane is we have a lot of bags, a lot of luggage. And a lot of airlines, they charge you for bags. We would have been charged quite a lot of money. So right now the autopilot is on, following the GPS flight plan. We're about to make a turn here in about 8.9 nautical miles. And this autopilot, the True Track, works very well on GPSS mode, and it holds altitude really well. It says 6960, but that is probably because I need to set this here. Yep, see, 69, it's showing 7,000, so that's why it's holding us there. So I need to set the altimeter here. I need to sync it by just putting whatever altitude that is showing. So right now it's showing 6,950. And then once I do that, then she'll go ahead and climb up to 7,000 and hold us there. How do you like flying above the clouds?
I think it looks cool. Yeah.
Did you like the takeoff going to the clouds?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about flying? Is it sleeping, Isa?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What about you, Javier? What's your favorite part about flying?
Getting to places faster.
Getting to places faster? All
Yeah.
right, yeah, that's a good one. Here is the autopilot. See, she's going to turn us now. And she's making a cool turn here. She is going to turn us to our next waypoint.
Costera 996, contacto 267, centro de control Mérida.
Yeah, you know, picking up that station in Spanish, man, I feel like I'm flying in Mexico or something. All right, we're going to turn off the cameras. Anything you guys want to say?
10 Pop Golf, traffic, 1 o'clock, 12 miles.
All right, we're going to turn off the cameras, recharge the batteries a little bit, and then we'll pick it back up when we get closer to Florida.
Direction 7,000, PA30.
Oh wait, I have something to say.
What's that?
Like and subscribe.
Daytona approach, good evening. Saratoga 3620 Whiskey at 4,000.
3620 Whiskey, Daytona, descend, maintain 3,000.
3,000, 3620 Whiskey.
November 20 Whiskey, descend and maintain 2,300.
2,300, 3620 Whiskey.
November 20 Whiskey, the airport's 1 o'clock, 6 miles.
20 Whiskey, we do have the airport in sight.
20 Whiskey, clear for the visual approach to runway 29er, contact Flagler Tower.
Clear for visual 29er, contact tower 3620 Whiskey. Thank you guys, have a great day.
Okay.
Good evening, Flagler Tower, Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, 7 to your northwest. We're inbound for a visual 29er at 2,300.
Saratoga 3620 Whiskey, report midfield left downwind runway 29.
Report midfield left downwind for runway 29er, 3620 Whiskey. And 20 Whiskey approaching left midfield for 29er.
Saratoga 20 Whiskey, runway 29, clear to land.
29er, clear to land, 3620 Whiskey. Welcome to Flagler, Florida, guys.
And here's one of the reasons folks from the north love Florida. While it is cold and snowing up north, here folks are relaxing on the beach.
See what I find?
So we are in St. Augustine, the oldest city in the nation, with Mr. Javier.
These hurt.
We're in the oldest plaza, the oldest public place in America since 1573. How about that? How about that, Mr. Javier? What you have to say about that? Old. It's old? What do you have to say about being in the oldest public place in America?
It's good.
It's good?
It's good. Abraham Lincoln might have put stuff.
What do you have to say about being in the oldest public place in America?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's good to be here.
The sensation I get when being here is amazing. Just to think how life was in this city back in 1565.
Call the police there or something like that.
What's it for?
It's
Daddy, what is this?
This is where they would burn the cannonballs.
Oh.
Here's one of my favorite stops when I come to St. Augustine, Florida. I have to get some delicious waffle cone ice creams and get some of those delicious pralines. Thank you for joining my family and I on this trip to Florida. We had a great time. If you like these videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like, and make sure that you comment so that we can get to know each other. And make sure you stick around and watch some of the episodes because we have a lot of great things coming up. God bless you. Take care, stay safe, and have a great day, my friends.